here we go. It's all the way down there. I thought it was here. I had to go down 4 more inches to get it. I'm not sure if I broke part of it and it's in the hole, but here it is. I just did a short and I flipped it over and look at that. It don't matter what's it broke now or not. It's awesome. The clamshell. Some fancy on it. I'm hoping the rest of it's in the hole. Well, I'm hoping I didn't break it. But yeah. I'm talking 16, 1700s. Could have come over on one of the ships. Could have come from Aquachigger County or either one. Jamestown. Who knows? I do know it's a cool piece. I just hit a target, 99. Come up on here. Now that it's out, it's a 91, but it's hitting 95. It's here. I just did a short and it fell out, but I didn't disclose what it was. It looks like it's going to be in good shape. So good, I don't want to rub on it. Oh, it's a big one. That stuff's on there so good. Yeah, I don't want to rub on this one. I'm going to let her dry up. And I'll continue this when I get home, hopefully, or later on. But this one's on the outskirts of this dead area. You know, I did the video a couple weeks back. I just found this. I found all this other stuff this morning. Just using the dive program because of the salt water in here. Usually, you'll pull up number 23s, 25s because of so much salt. Water saturated ground. I'm hoping we got something really cool this time. That's really cool. Alright, I'm gonna stop. Alright guys, we got a little date off there finally. 1850 is 1 or 4, I'm not sure. Could be 6, I'm not sure. Go find you some sun. There it is. Woo. Block that wind as much as I can. And there she is. And that's something. Just in case it's something crazy, I'm all the way down to the clay. I'm gonna lay on here for you. This is what's cool. When you drop that and it goes down the hole here, that's where it's at. It's right there. That's super deep. Let me get that hole. We're in the hole. I am hitting something down there, but let's see, I should flip back down the hole. Look at that. Could be jumping. It's only reading 80. 81. Didn't sound that deep. That's rough. Oh, let's see what it is over here. This old Spaniard chocolate armor or something. Possibilities. They're there. It's everywhere pretty much. Well, we gotta get that out of there, don't we? Stop keeping. Just push the water. It's interesting, huh? See the stuff down there. Material. Regular pottery or whatever it is. That's a whole one. Elbow at the top though. Copper bowl. That was soft. I don't know. But you can't see it. You are sitting at the edge of the hole. Oh man. No septic tanks this close to the wall. It's made of thin metal. Feels like that. Which have a little hand pick with it. Hoping that's not a chicken roof. Moving a little bit. Didn't move it, though. Be on the edge of it there. It's there. Yeah, I'm going to look on my hands and knees, Jack. Earning this little video. Let's come up a teeny bit. Could be a piece of trash, but I'm excavating it live. Just a little piece of dirt, hold you up so you don't fall in. There you go. I don't know how long it flashes. I'll put some of this up here. What's that? Rock. I think it's just rock. It's over here. Can't do much but show it. There he is. That'd be crazy, wouldn't it? Doesn't mean this was an odd age if that were the case. It'd be on top of it. So it's still there. Get that out there. Didn't cut an inch, it's bigger. Alright, back to the task at hand. We'll get that last. Figure any of it yet. They're going. It ain't gonna be easy. This is gonna be a long. I'll edit most of this out probably. So I don't bore you. There's something shiny up there. Look at that. Whatever it is, it's a piece of junk, I'm sure, but I got it. I just can't get it. There we go. Alright. There we go. Glass underneath of it. There. Suppose that works. Something else down here. So put you back down. Going back to find somebody's casket portal. That look like a bone is underneath that. Nice little juice. Let's get that stone out of there. Make sure that's not a piece of. Alright, never want to burden nobody this close to the water. This has always been water. Alright, stone is just a stone. Junk in that. Where do I go from here? This one. There's still stuff down there. To make sure that wasn't a lid, I'm going to step through this. Turns you off. Oh, that's funny. Alright, I'm going to scoop that out by hand. This will be. Oop, there's some hard stuff. I'll set that all aside as I find it. Some more. Somewhere in there, I don't see it. There it is. Put that over there. A lot of dirt. Black marsh dirt. Left. Dirt. More glass. Luckily for me. It's been burnt. You can smell it on my hand. Smell it. Smell it. Yeah. So that was some kind of a, here, let me bring you up. See the difference in the color. The sun ain't too bad on it. The black, brown, this thing. We'll clean that up real quick. Hang on. Well, I think that's where I'm going to leave this at this point. There's that thing that was in the hole. I'll let it clean up over here. I'm going to hide in the bushes a little bit of it. That's a bone. I don't know whose bone. Why it's underneath there. Just release some kind of evil just before Halloween. I don't know. But sorry about your luck, and I'm going to put you over there for now. Could be an animal bone. I have no idea. But ooze that's down the hole. That was something. I was really expecting something a little bit cooler. That deep. But another artifact. Looks like it. See it? Get it. It's in there. There it is. No idea, but I'm sure that's really cool, whatever it is. Huh. It's definitely made that way. No idea. But we're gonna move on. Once again, we ain't going nowhere, but we're finding some cool stuff now. Yep, just a panic. Wishful think. Well, I'm sure it's a weedy, right? Nice and smooth feeling. It is wheat on the side. Alright, so somehow there's a hole right here I dug prior. Last video, whatever. I just dug this hole right next to it. There's roundness in there. I don't know what it is, but it'd be a piece of junk wire, but even still, it was there. And I didn't get it for some reason. And it's definitely a high conductor. What is it? This was reading a 50. Is it a shotgun shell? Could be. Yeah. A 50. Isn't that crazy? I guess because there wasn't much of it. I dug it back here against the woods now in an area that's usually not hunted, I don't think. Just pulled a nice little artifact out of here. Looks like the guy saying slippery, you know, when you're running kind of guy. I don't know. Could be a piece of fancy something, I think. Just won't be able to tell. That's what it looks like, a person running. I'm sure it's not what it is, but flip over to the back. Get some grinding. Doesn't it look like that? Maybe it is. Look, there's like little shoes. Who could be running? Huh. Yeah, I found somebody like that. Yeah, that's running, man. Huh. Maybe it's a pin. We'll have to get that cleaned up. That's really kind of cool, I think. And there we go. Small round shot. First bullet today. Clean her up. Pretty little things, aren't they? That's a chunk. There's something else right here. That looks interesting. I'll put that on a short as well, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so what it is, it looks to be locked. This will be a lock keyhole cover. Beep, 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 beep. Yeah. I'm pretty sure that's what it is now. If we can just find the lock that went with that. Not super cool, but not old. I guess it's a brass razor. But it's something I would have missed.